Welcome to the online lecture session on power plant engineering. Myself, Mr. Ranjit Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Power plant engineering course is designed strictly as per the old syllabus of Macaut. The subject code is ME701 and the credit point is 4 and the lecture contact hour per week is 4. Before going to the power plant engineering course, student must have the fundamental knowledge of thermodynamics and must know how to use the steam tables. The course objective of this course is to introduce students to different aspects of power plant engineering, to familiarize the student to the working of power plant based on different sources of energy, to expose the students to the principle of safety and environmental issue. These are the detailed syllabus of power plant engineering course, and it is being divided into 9 modules. Each module is given contact hours. The total contact hours is 44 for this course. Student can recommend this book for this course. The first book is Power Plant Engineering by P.K. Nag. It is Tata McGraw-Hill publication. The second book is Power Plant Technology by M. Vakil. It is again Tata Hill publication. The third one is Power Plant Engineering by Arora and Rumkunwar. That is Dhanpat Rai publication. Sources of energy. There are different sources of energy that is available to humankind. Coal is the primary source of energy. This is the coal. This is the primary source of energy. And oil, we have another oil. It is the another sources of energy. Some other sources of energy are hydel energy, wind energy, and sun energy, solar energy. These all five are primary sources of energy. Out of these, coal and oil are come under conventional source of energy. We can also say that it is thermal energy, and the other three are renewable energies. Sources of this energy is limited and it is going to be end. These two conventional source of energy, in future there is a chance it can be end, but whereas the conventional source of energy are limited in resources, it is expected that in near future it is not going to be end. Electricity is the most efficient form of energy. The main objective of any power plant is to somehow get the rotational energy, and that rotational energy is converted into electric energy. So the rotational energy that we get from the turbine is called the heart of the power plant. So if the turbine shaft is connected to this generator shaft, if anyhow we can able to rotate this shaft of the generator in which the coil is mounted, we can get the electricity. Okay. Now classification of power plant. Power plant can be classified on the basis of energy uses, as energy is one of the basic need and backbone of human activity in all sector, whether it is industrial, in agriculture, transportation. It is one of the major input for the economic development of a country. So energy, every country must uh, meet its energy requirement from a variety of energy sources, such which can be classified as primary and secondary energy sources, conventional and non-conventional energy sources, commercial and non-commercial energy sources, renewable and non-renewable energy sources. We can classify uh, Power plant on the basis of conventional and non-conventional. Uh, Under the conventional, we have power plant based on the fuel. It can be coal, oil or gas, hydropower plant, nuclear power plant. All these power plant come under the conventional category. A non-conventional category: solar power plant, wind power plant, tidal power plants, geothermal power plant, biogas. So these are the non-conventional power plants. Now coming to the world scenario in power generation, you can see in this pie chart, the coal contributes up to 25.9 percentage and oil contribute 30.4 percentage, gas 21.2 percentage, biofuels and waste 9.1 percentage, hydro 6.5 percentage, nuclear 4.1 percentage, geothermal 0.2 percentage, solar thermal 0.3 percentage, solar photovoltaic cell 0.7 percentage, wind 0.17 percentage. This is the energy scenario for power generation in India. That is 56 percentage is by coal, 6 percentage is by gas, 29 percentage is by oil, 3 percentage is by renewables, 4 percentage is by hydro and 1 percentage is by nuclear. This is for the today's class. In next class we will discuss all the basic cycle that we have in our power plant. Thank you.